smile when I pulled up. I could pretty well read your mind. Well, she's heard it all most of her life. She knows every smart-ass line. But her daddy was a trucker and he taught her well. She could handle that cobra before she could spell. They'd be trucking along, listening to Jones. On the highway she called home, and the only color she loved was the color of chrome. Yeah, she's a woman trucker's sister to a brother of a daddy with diesel in his veins. She could drive a rig no matter how big, keep it rolling on down the lane. Yeah, she's a gear jammer from Dothan, Alabama. Come on, give her a rebel yell. She's known up north, east and west, and they call her the Southern Belle. Oh, the Southern Belle. She said, I'll hit that road, carry any load. Her daddy gave her nerves of steel. She'll holler pup, 50-footer and up, make a turn, never scuff a wheel. She's got a white line fever and the only remedy is to drive her rig on that concrete seat. Gripping the wheel, shifting gears, challenge that road every day. Yeah, she's a woman trucker's sister to a brother of a daddy with diesel in his veins. She can drive a rig no matter how big, keep it rolling on down the lane. Yeah, she's a gear jammer from Dothan, Alabama. Come on, give her a rebel yell. She's known up north, east and west, and they call her the Southern Belle. Woman trucker's sister to a brother of a daddy with diesel in his veins. She can drive a rig no matter